Aeronautical data downloads are managed in Settings. Downloads. It is important to make sure you have all the data you need downloaded before you go flying. Downloading your data means that you can still have access to it even when you don't have an internet connection. At the top of the downloads page there is a storage space bar to give you a quick overview of what's happening with the storage space on your device. It shows how much storage space OzRunways is using and how much free space is available on the device. Regions that you have a valid subscription for are shown here, along with the current ARAC cycle. If there is a pending ARAC cycle, that will be shown here too. Settings for the automatic download system are at the bottom. If you want OzRunways to automatically keep your selected data up to date, then turn all of these options on. Let's look at this in more detail. When download on startup is turned on, each time you open the OzRunways app, it will check for updates in your selected data groups. If any updates are available, it will download them. When background downloads is turned on, OzRunways will attempt to download any updates to your selected data groups overnight. This requires your device to be connected to Wi-Fi and preferably plugged in and charging. This won't work if you force close the OzRunways app. It must be left running in the background. Clear expired data will automatically delete old data 3 days after it expires. Tap on a region to view the available data groups. The groups you see here depend on your subscription type. Those with an IFR subscription will see the AIP Volume 2 and 3, including all instrument approach charts. The size of each group and the description of its contents is shown underneath. The VFR group contains the AIP Volume 1, Volume 4 and aerodrome charts, the AIP SUPs, AICs, and the documents is found on the documents page. The VNC is the current VNC in 1 in 250,000 and 1 in 500,000 scale. The hybrid map, the en route and area charts include the map legends and the special messages written on the VNCs. Also at the bottom is the KML map overlays. If this is selected, this will download the LINS runway markings and the dock protected areas into OzRunways. Use the toggle on the right to turn a group on or off. If you have enabled automatic downloads on the previous screen, when you turn a group on, it will begin downloading. The wheel indicates download progress, and the yellow symbol on the settings icon gives you a quick indication that a download is in progress. When the pack has fully downloaded, the symbol will change to a green tick to let you know that all of your selected groups are downloaded and up to date. If an error occurs during the download, a red exclamation mark will appear. You can tap the exclamation mark to see which files weren't able to download. Press the download icon in the top right corner to force a re-download. If this doesn't solve the problem, get in touch with us and we can soon help you sort it out. If you don't want to use the automatic download system, then you'll need to turn on the groups you want and then manually press the download button to begin downloading. Any questions? Contact us at support@ozrunways.com, and thanks for watching.